Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Now, whether you have an iPhone, an Android, or a computer, and you wanted to disable professional mode, I'll show you exactly how to do so. Now, let's open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And you can see it looks a little different than my Android phone. So you can see on iPhone, the menu button is at the bottom right. Just tap on that. However, on Android, it's at the top right. Just tap on that. Keep in mind, on a computer, it'll also be at the top right. Now, next, you're just going to tap on your profile picture here. Let me do that on both of them. And what you're looking for is the dashboard. That indicates that you have professional dashboard on your Facebook account. If you don't see dashboard, you don't have professional dashboard and you don't need to turn it off because you don't have it. Next, we're going to tap on the three dots at the top right. Scroll down, tap on turn off professional mode. Tap on continue at the bottom. It'll walk you through what this does. Tap on turn off at the bottom. And it will take a few seconds. It says professional mode has been turned off. You can review the default settings or just tap close. And if you swipe down, that professional dashboard should disappear. You might also need to close out of the app and open it back up again for that professional dashboard to be completely disabled. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.